going to Tokyo soon and naghahanap kayo ng budget-friendly na very accessible sa lahat with direct train access to and from Narita Airport, then this video is for you. Literal na walking distance dahil 150 meters away lang from Ueno Station, walkable din ito to Okachimachi and the Keisei Skyliner Station, which provides easy access to Narita International Airport. At kung shopping and food trip naman ang hanap mo, ang Ameyoko Shopping Street is just a few steps away. You can also find convenience stores on every corner, kaya even late nights pag magutom kayo, no worries na din. This is Hapin Hotel Ueno and I stayed here for 5 nights and 6 days. And here's our hotel and room tour. Okay, so let's do our room tour muna. So let's start with the minibar. So pagpasok ng pinto, meron tayong minibar dito. May kettle, may dalawang cup, tapos may mini fridge, and may dalawang water setup. And then, ito yung bathroom. Dahil nandito tayo sa Japan, syempre lahat dependot. Automatic. So, yan yung ating toilet. And may maliit na bathtub. Complete setup na rin yan. Merong shampoo, body soap, and conditioner. Tapos, meron pang mga extra na amenities sa baba na pwede ka lang kumuha if kinulang ka. And then, of course, meron na ring setup na towels over there. Ang linis. Ito naman yung ating salamin for our outfit check. And meron din pala silang pa-sleepers. Maliit lang actually yung room. So, andyan na yung luggage ko. Tapos, nakapamili na ako kanina. Tapos, ang technique daw dito, yung luggage, ilalagay mo lang sa ilalim. And, wala palang cabinet. So, walang cabinet. Dito ka lang maghahang ng damit mo. So, most likely, ilalagay mo lang dyan sa loob ng luggage mo yung mga gamit. Tapos, kukuha ka lang ng kailangan mo every time na you need something. And, we have a double bed here. Good enough for two. Lalo if couples kayo. Tapos, merong window. Binaba ko yung blinds kasi medyo mainit. And, meron tayo ditong split type aircon. And, ang laki ng TV. And, meron silang free hair blower or hair dryer dyan if you need to blow dry your hair. Tapos, andito naman mayroong isang small mini desk if gusto mong mag-work or mayroon kang kailangan gawin. So, yeah, that's it. Very basic, very compact. Good enough lang talaga to for two. So, for couples talaga. And, eto nga pala yung sinasabi ko kaninang bathrobe sa baba. So, kumuha na ako ng gagamitin ko for tonight. And then, nagkuha na din ako ng mga amenities. So, mga gagamitin ko yan later. Unlimited dyan. I book pala this room. So, I will be staying here for 5 nights and 6 days. So, nagbayad ako ng almost 21,000. No breakfast included. Actually, parang wala talaga silang breakfast inclusions kasi wala naman ako nakitang restaurant. Walang ibang amenities ng hotel na to. Ang kagandahan lang talaga kasi ng hotel na to is very walkable sa mga attractions or sa shopping area ng Ueno and at the same time sa my train station. So, if galing ka ng Narita, kanina, di ba nag-Narita airport tayo, so straight yung train na Keisei Skyliner from Narita to Ueno Station. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-transfer. Yung iba kasi, twice pang sumasakay ng train, may transfer pa, medyo malayo pa yung lalakarin, kaya syempre, mas cheaper yon. So, eto, although very basic siya, very compact, medyo pricey pa rin kasi yung location-wise nga niya. I think not bad na rin yung size niya for couples. I think this is good enough kasi lagi naman din kayong nasa labas, di ba? And the best thing also about Hapin is malinis. Tsaka paglabas mo, main road na yan. Walking distance lang ang Parco, ang Ameyoko Shopping Center. So, it's very convenient. Hindi ka naman mag-worry sa pagkain or sa breakfast kasi ang daming nakapaikot na mga kainan and convenience store. At eto naman ang kanilang reception area sa kanilang lobby. Meron din luggage storage area if ever na di pa kayo pwedeng mag-check-in or if check-out naman na and mahaba pa yung time ninyo before your flight, pwedeng iwan muna dito. May money exchange machine if gusto nyo magpapalit ng currency. Meron ding vendo and ice machine for your drinks. Dito din yung amenity and coffee area na free of charge. Meron din laundry area and washroom dito sa kanilang lobby. And here's naman the view from our floor lobby in front of my room. Although walang masyadong amenities, location-wise, this is perfect because the trains have direct access to other must-visit attractions in Tokyo like Asakusa, Ginza, Shibuya, Harajuku, Shinjuku, and many others. Again, if you're planning to travel to Tokyo soon and looking for a clean, affordable, accessible with an ideal location, try Hapin Ueno. Yun lang, arigato!